A strawberry. Strawberry. Oh, what do you have there? Grapes. Grapes. Good. I think we should go this way and this way. Durian. Yeah. Oh. Not everybody's favorite, but very nice. Star fruit. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Hungry. Whoa. Oh. Longan. Yes. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Oh, lemon. Lemon. Whoa. Oh, coconut. Coconut. I know, coconut. What is this one? Mango steam. Sugar apple. Oh. Oh. Pineapple in a box. Jigsaw. Banana. Jackfruit, I think this one, yeah? Jackfruit? Yes, it's not a common fruit, this one. Oh, look great. Thank you. Watermelon. Good. Pomelo. I think so. Yeah, pomelo. Pomelo. Tomato. Oh, I don't think so. No, this is a DNA mixture. Genetic. Orange. Orange. Oh, pumpkin. Yeah. Pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin. This one goes there. One in there. Whoa. Tomato. Apple. Better. Tomato. Thank you. Mango, I think this one. Yeah? Mango. But very ripe mango. Good. Oh. And then, can you close the box? Close the box. Oh. Yeah.